Hello, as you can see in this question, it is asked which of the following pairs of the graphs shown shows that the distance traveled versus time and speed versus time for an object uniformly accelerated from rest at time equal to t equal to 0. Now let us remember the s versus t graph and v versus t graph. Okay, so this is distance versus time, this is speed versus time. Now they're asking uniformly accelerated motion, right? They're asking about uniformly accelerated motion. If the object is uniformly accelerating, the graph will be like this. And if it was not uniformly accelerating, accelerating, I mean, if it was ununiformly accelerating, that means the graph would have been like this. Some more curves. Okay. But since it is uniformly accelerating, the graph will be like this. Similarly, in v versus t graph, that means speed versus time graph, we want to show that velocity is increasing uniformly with time. That is what acceleration means, right? Uniform acceleration means. So, how do you show that? By drawing a straight line. This straight line shows that the the speed is increasing. The speed is increasing uniformly with time or proportionally with time. So where do we find these two graphs? Here in option number E. So this is the correct answer.